We'll come go all in one here. We go down McDonald's or down Richard and have to walk all down there and from there come out for Paul and take about get there. It's a long walk actually. Get about half an hour, about 30 minutes. I do that a lot of time myself up to McDonald's. My favourite is chicken sandwich or triple cheeseburger, double cheeseburger. So today we have a chicken sandwich today, chips and ice cream, Diet Coke. I'm always at McDonald's every time up there, McDonald's. So that's what I do today on Monday before the rain again. Then today, tell me yesterday, plus the rain yesterday, actually shit. I never seen on rain on Tuesday, but today okay on Monday. What's supposed to do about that one? Anyway, on Monday.